Hi there. Welcome to Angelo Home Tours. Are you ready to embrace a community that moves at the speed of life? Welcome to the Tempo community by Tri Pointe Homes, where modern living meets the perfect location. Located at 6113 Redstone Hills Drive, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89148. Tempo is nestled on the edge of Summerlin, right at the shadow of the majestic Red Rock Mountains. It's a place where smart, spacious homes blend seamlessly with modern architecture, creating a harmonious environment that caters to your lifestyle. But Tempo is more than just beautiful homes. It's a community that embraces the concept of living smart. Living smart is all about your health and well-being, as well as the health of our planet. By integrating the latest in energy-saving features, materials, and equipment, Tempo homes help improve indoor air quality while conserving water and natural resources. If you have a family, you'll be delighted to know that Tempo is surrounded by excellent educational options. Shelley Berkley Elementary School, Wilbur and Theresa Faiss Middle School, and Sierra Vista High School are all conveniently located nearby, ensuring that your children receive a top-notch education. When it comes to taxes and homeowner association fees, Tempo keeps it simple and affordable. The Tempo Community Association fee is only $87 per month, and the annual property tax rate is just 0.9%. But that's not all. Tempo offers a range of amenities that will make you fall in love with your new neighborhood. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the Gramercy and downtown Summerlin, just a stone's throw away. And get ready for even more excitement with the Bend and Durango Station, both coming in the fall of 2023. Plus, for endless family fun, visit the nearby Cowabunga Canyon Water Park. At Tempo, you have the opportunity to choose from 3 incredible home plans: Plan 1, Plan 2, and Plan 3. Each plan is designed with your comfort and style in mind, offering a range of options to suit your unique preferences. Let's start with Plan 1, anticipated from $549,000. As you step into the grand entry, you'll be greeted by soaring ceilings in the foyer, setting the stage for a bright and inviting open floor plan. The kitchen steals the spotlight with its expansive walk-in pantry and a view that extends across the dining room to the loggia. Upstairs, you'll find a luxurious primary suite, 2 additional bedrooms, and a loft that offers even more space to relax and unwind. Plan 1 offers a total footage of 2,261 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Moving on to Plan 2, anticipated from $579,000. Prepare to be captivated by the modern architecture showcased by a stunning floating staircase that catches your eye the moment you enter. Ascend the steps to discover the private deck of the primary suite, an ideal spot for relaxation. 2 more bedrooms with walk-in closets await on the upper level. The main floor boasts a 4th bedroom with a full bath, ensuring privacy for both long-term and short-term visitors. Plan 2 offers a total footage of 2,424 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Last but certainly not least, Plan 3, anticipated from $649,000, offers the most spacious living experience. This home has a reputation for fun, and it's easy to see why. The 3rd floor features a bonus room with a rooftop deck, perfect for enjoying breathtaking sunsets over the Red Rock Mountains. Every room in this plan comes with a walk-in closet, and the primary suite boasts a supersized L-shaped walk-in closet, providing ample storage space for all your needs. Plan 3 offers a total footage of 2,877 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 to 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Whether you're drawn to the grand entry of Plan 1, the modern allure of Plan 2, or the spaciousness and rooftop deck of Plan 3, Tempo Community has the perfect home for you. Choose from a range of thoughtfully designed floor plans to meet your desires. Don't miss your chance to make Tempo your new home. Contact Angelo at 725-287-5242 to learn more about this plan and start your Tempo Homes experience. Tempo Community by Tri Pointe Homes. Your gateway to a smart and vibrant future. Coming soon.